welcome to another adventure. It's me, Kevin the Backyard Hiker. It is approximately 6:15 on Friday, the 13th. Alright, now as some of you might notice, this is actually was supposed to be the location for my December challenge. Well, look what we have here. Once I get to my location, I will check back with you. Alright, I'm on location of my stealth camp. I'm in an industrial site. I'm going to sit for a few minutes longer because I've seen at least 3 vehicles leave. And I've got one more thing that I need to do. But I want to make sure nobody else is coming out. Then I'll show you, I've got a little special surprise on this one. Because it's supposed to get down really, really cold tonight. And I want to make sure I'm not cold. Alright. I'll give it another few minutes. Okay. I'm out. Alright, here we go. Yeah. I am now going to have heat. I now have heat. Plugged it into that light pole right behind me. Well, I've returned. I don't think I'm going to have to worry about staying warm tonight. Because I brought a space heater and it's hooked up to the light pole out behind me. Which I already said that. But I got to keep an eye out tonight. It seems like there are more people leaving than I actually anticipated. Within 10 minutes, I saw like 4 vehicles leave. I'm hoping I don't get busted. I guess we'll soon find out. Another truck just went past. This time around, I even have the back window closed up. I gotta get the light just right. For that, I used a trash bag and cardboard. Alright. I'm going to let everybody go. I'm going to sit. I'm going to chill. And we'll see where it goes from here. And I'm going to get ready for my live stream. Alright. Peace. Alright, so this is definitely going to be a challenge for me. Because probably later on, it's not going to be till maybe after 9 o'clock or maybe in the morning, because there is a performing arts and learning center, and people are going to be driving in and out for the next let me see 2 hours. So this is going to make for a very interesting first part of the night. Oh, hold on. I don't know if you got that. Yeah, so we'll figure it out. Okay. I'll check back in. Yeah, I'm going to be on high alert most of the night. Yeah. Bye. First of all, welcome back. Thanks for all of those that joined me on my live stream. It was a great session. Thank you. I think I'm actually going to get ready. I'll have some warm tea, and I gotta check my connections, make sure nothing has gotten warm or damaged since I've been here, because I've got the extension cord going through the door of the car. So yeah. Oh, hey there. Hey there, tiger. That was not cool. I'll be setting out my sleeping bag, getting my stuff ready to hit the hay. Oh, and hold on. I gotta. Morning, YouTube. Stealth Camping Alliance. Oh. Made it through the night. Nobody bothered me, but my pillow is deflated. As for sleep, not much, but that's okay. 92 degrees. And I think it's time for some coffee and breakfast. Ooh, crisis averted. I almost didn't think I had a spoon for my breakfast, which my breakfast is. Come on. It's Cinnamon Toast Crunch oatmeal with the cinnamon sugar topping. With this, I've been eating these like crazy at work. And then I have instant food. Oh, come on. There it is. Instant coffee. So I'm going to go ahead and get this water boiling, and probably just going to eat. I'll come back. I'll bring it back. Alright. So I had to switch lights again because I did see somebody pull through. That's my water. There. And hot water That smells good. Get the oatmeal next up. Coffee. Doesn't want to come out nicely over here. There it goes. Alright. Put those through. Alright. Everybody, if you've come this far, if you want to support me, I'm going to put everything down in the description. My snacks, goodies, ideas, all that other fun stuff. It was weird. Nobody even came through. I think it was mostly because it's, even with my heater, it's still cold. But alright, everybody, I'm gonna eat. You get out. Thank you for coming along. I want you to stay safe and peace out.